Hey, hi everyone. Good morning from the Grand Shangri-La, now known as Grand Shambhala. It's a beautiful heritage property located in Kalpa, Kinnaur, Himachal Pradesh. So I was here to witness the breathtaking, amazing view of Kinnar Kailash, that is an abode of Mahadev, and it was breathtaking. Samne pe, the barren tip of mountain where there is no snow is the abode of Mahadev known as Kinnar Kailash. And trust me, guys, it's beautiful. This property is made out of deodar woods and is very beautiful. This property is situated in Kalpa, which is a heritage village, and Samne Devika Mandir hai, which is also very famous and pure. So I was exploring the property here and I meditated and chanted for a while in front of Mahadev. This is a sitting lounge, also a reading area where people come and read. A lot of tourists and foreigners come here. These were the Buddhist religious instrumental utensils जो कि मैंने भी यूज़ किए थे. I like them. I like the voice actually. It's very, the resonance is very pure. एंड देन उसके बाद हम लोग सामने हमने सिटिंग लाउंज देखा. फिर थोड़ी देर में यहाँ पे बैठी. आई ऑल्सो क्लिक सम पिक्चर्स एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड exploring the whole property. So every staircase has this beautiful breathtaking view of village Kalpa. And वैसे तो यहाँ पे स्नो हो जाती है पूरी और अभी स्नो कुछ टाइम में आ ही जाएगी. दिस इज़ द सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ शांग्रीला डाउन देयर जो बहुत जल्दी कंस्ट्रक्ट हो जाएगी. So while I was going down, I was just enjoying the beautiful stairs of the Shangri-La. Like I said, every staircase has a mesmerizing view. Every staircase has a mesmerizing view. Since it's a Buddhist property, so it has small mini gonpas जिसको हम rotate कर सकते हैं. And here is the building जिसका नाम येटी है. So ये बहुत ही अच्छा था. And the Buddhist flags were also very beautiful and authentic. फिर ये सिटिंग लाउंज है, बिल्कुल ऑथेंटिक पहाड़ी तरीके से बनाया हुआ है. दीज आर द स्टिकर्स पेस्टेड बाय द बाइकर्स इन डिफरेंट एडवेंचर ग्रुप्स जो यहाँ पे आते रहते हैं. अगैन दिस इज़ द सिटिंग लाउंज एंड द रेस्टोरेंट. देन ये हूँ मैं. सिंस इट वॉज डैड्स बर्थडे सो वी ऑर्डर्ड दिस क्यूट केक. I like the combination. It was cute and it was nice. Like we enjoyed the cake. The flavors were very subtle and very tasty and very amazing. Delish. It was delicious. Then we were welcomed with this fresh grape juice, which was nice. फिर मैं दोबारा ऊपर आ गई to again enjoy here. I sat and meditated here for a while and enjoyed looking at the peaks. You know, we actually saw the Kinakailash tip with the binoculars and trust me guys, वो इतना सुंदर है. एंड एक और बात किन्नर कैलाश के बारे में कि वो पूरे दिन भर में चेंजेस लाइक 7 कलर्स. समटाइम्स इट्स ग्रे, देन ब्लू, देन पिंक. We came to the Yeti Hall where we saw the adventurous video of groups. They're known as Mountain Goat, GOAT, of course, greatest of all time. And इनका beautiful सा एक adventure था where they started off from Chandigarh in their Isuzu vehicles and they were just doing off-roading in Kinnaur, in various upper Himachal portions, then Ladakh and all. So it was a nice and amazing experience that we witnessed, or it was fully drone captured. So the beautiful landscapes is what we witnessed here. वैसे तो हम लोग यहाँ पे गए भी हुए हैं, so it is वीडियो जस्टिस नहीं कर सकती है जो आप अपनी नेकेड आई से देखते हैं. तो ट्रस्ट मी गाइज, यू गाइज शुड प्लान a beautiful staycation vacation to Himachal Pradesh in upper Himachal area specifically. So dad was celebrating his birthday with his batchmates in Academy Masuri. So ITBP's academy is in Masuri and they all have gone for their senior command course there. So वहीं पे birthday cake के साथ they all guys were celebrating and look at them. It's so nice to see them enjoying and cherishing and living their moments. And age is just a number, I would say. डजेंट मैटर आप किस एज में हैं, बट आप अपनी लाइफ को अगर ऐसे इंजॉय करते हैं फुल जेस्ट एंड ज़ील के साथ, फुल हैप्पीनेस के साथ, तो वो यूनिवर्स स्पेस को मल्टीप्लाई करता है. सो आई वॉज ऑल द टाइम व्हेन आई वाज वाचिंग द वीडियो आई वाज स्माइलिंग बिकॉज आई Loved how they all were enjoying the birthday like kids, like small kids literally. So हम लोग कितना थैंक करना भूल जाते हैं यूनिवर्स को फॉर ऑल these precious moments. Although we all wanted to be there for Dad's birthday, but we couldn't go to Masuri as he was busy in his course. So birthday celebrations chalta gaya. Then they had some drinks. They also went to Masuri and they were just taking a stroll in the Mall Road, Masuri. Since I've studied in Masuri, so I have a lot of memories to cherish that I've made in Masuri, and I always miss them. So, birthday celebration continued, faithful happiness. They also danced on beautiful songs. You know, it was good to watch them. फिर meditation के बाद I asked mom to record a video for me, and I was again just sky gazing and just I was lost in the view. And ये था हमारा दिन and it was lovely. Have a good day.